In this video, I am going to show how to enable Telnet client. Open run command from the start menu. Type appwiz.cpl. Select turn Windows feature on or off and select the Telnet client. Press OK. It will start to install the Telnet client. Once after installation, press the restart now. For checking the Telnet, once after restarting, go to the start menu and type cmd and open the command. Then type the Telnet. See, the Telnet client is able to access the Telnet server. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe.